All right, so let's continue the discussion on graphical representation of rolling and slipping. If you see these graphs, you can see that the velocity is going down and the angular velocity is going up. And at certain point, roughly at t is equal to 3 seconds, both omega and velocity have become constants, are not undergoing any change. And why was the velocity decreasing? The velocity was decreasing because of the frictional force that decelerated it. And why is omega increasing? Because the same frictional force is providing it angular acceleration alpha. So you can see, as the velocities is increasing and decreasing, the angular velocity is increasing. At some point, the effect of friction is gone. That means friction stops existing at roughly around t is equal to 3 seconds. This is just as an example of a hypothetical situation. But the point is, at some point, velocity and omega become constant and frictional force disappears. No more angular acceleration, no more linear acceleration. Thank you.